Something new in Unreal Engine 5 is TObject pointers. Now these are a drop-in replacement for UObjects, and they're supposed to replace raw pointers, such that the TObject pointer will automatically cast itself to a raw pointer on functions that expect it. Now one thing that I've run into when migrating projects from UE4 to UE5 is actually the Blackboard asset. So the use Blackboard function here that we have, so what this function is actually expecting is it's expecting a reference to a pointer, or pointer by reference. So to explain this a little better, let's go to Mark Goodwin's blog post. This is from 2009, but it's really good about explaining the differences between a reference to a pointer and a pointer. The key difference here between a pointer and a pointer by reference is that a pointer, like int a, is actually a copy within the function here. This is actually pointing to the pointer itself. So you can modify the pointer rather than the copy. So to explain this a little further, let's run this simple code here that's showing the differences here. So if we run it, we'll see that we get 7 and 10. So the differences here, again, this is the pointer by reference. So we have our a pointer, we're incrementing that by 5. So we would expect that to be 10. However, because we're creating a new pointer, and we are then assigning a to c, and this is, again, the pointer by reference. So we're actually modifying the a pointer outside of this function. So the result is 7. Now in our function b, which is utilizing just a pointer, we increment that same pointer by +5, and we create a new pointer c. And when we assign a to c, we're only modifying the a pointer within this function b. So we do not modify the original a pointer. And that's why we're getting 7 versus 10. So to make this work, what we can utilize is we need to simply grab the Blackboard using Blackboard get and put that into our new temporary pointer, and then pass that to our use Blackboard function. And we need to remember that once we're done utilizing this, that we need to update our Blackboard again from our temporary pointer. So if we rebuild this, we'll see that these errors go away. So we can see that our build succeeded. So this is a good way to utilize the TObject pointers when migrating from Unreal Engine 4 to Unreal Engine 5. And that's because the TObject pointer can only cast to a raw pointer. It can't do the reference to a pointer or pointer by reference, which is what's needed in this use Blackboard function.